The Aprilia 457 rupees is the epitome of performance, style, and cutting-edge technology. Designed with inspiration from Aprilia's racing heritage, this lightweight sport bike is built to deliver an exhilarating riding experience. Every detail, from its aggressive stance to its aerodynamic fairings, speaks of speed and precision. The sleek twin LED headlights, sculpted fuel tank, and race-inspired tail section create a dynamic and commanding presence. Whether standing still in a luxurious showroom or roaring down an open road, the 457 rupees demands attention. Its design is a perfect balance between elegance and aggression, making it a standout machine in the world of sport bikes. Powering the 457 rupees is a state-of-the-art liquid-cooled, parallel twin engine that delivers impressive performance across all rev ranges. With an optimized power-to-weight ratio, the bike accelerates effortlessly, providing an adrenaline-pumping ride every time the throttle is twisted. The refined exhaust note is a signature of Aprilia's engineering excellence, a deep, resonant growl that echoes the spirit of racing. The ride-by-wire throttle system ensures precise control, allowing the rider to harness the full potential of the engine with absolute confidence. Whether navigating tight corners or opening up on a straight stretch, the 457 rupees delivers seamless power with remarkable efficiency. The lightweight chassis, constructed from high-strength aluminum, is designed for exceptional agility and stability. The perfect weight distribution enhances handling, making the 457 rupees incredibly responsive to rider input. The advanced suspension system, featuring inverted front forks and a monoshock rear setup, absorbs bumps effortlessly while maintaining superior road grip. The high-performance braking system, equipped with dual front discs and a single rear disc, provides unmatched stopping power. The inclusion of ABS ensures maximum safety, preventing wheel lockups during sudden braking situations. Every aspect of the RS457's dynamics is engineered to provide confidence-inspiring control at all speeds. Ergonomics play a crucial role in the RS457's rider-centric design. The aggressive yet comfortable riding position ensures that both seasoned riders and newcomers can enjoy long rides without fatigue. The clip-on handlebars provide a sporty feel while allowing precise maneuverability. The seat is sculpted to offer maximum support, keeping the rider firmly in place during spirited riding. The rear set footpegs enhance the aggressive stance, contributing to the bike's aerodynamic efficiency. A carefully designed windscreen minimizes wind resistance, allowing for a smooth and controlled ride even at high speeds. Every touchpoint, from the handlebar grips to the foot controls, is designed to enhance the rider's connection with the machine. The advanced electronics suite of the 457 rupees sets it apart in its class. The full-color TFT display provides all essential ride information at a glance, ensuring clarity in all lighting conditions. Riders can monitor speed, RPM, fuel level, gear position, and riding modes in real time. The integrated connectivity system allows for seamless smartphone pairing, providing access to navigation, call alerts, and media controls. Multiple riding modes tailor the bike's performance to different conditions, while the traction control system ensures optimal grip on varying road surfaces. The quick shifter allows for effortless clutchless gear changes, enhancing the overall riding experience. Aprilia has infused the 457 rupees with technology that elevates performance while maintaining ease of use. Every 457 rupees is a reflection of Aprilia's deep-rooted racing DNA. Decades of competition in MotoGP and superbike racing have influenced its design, aerodynamics, and power delivery. The bold color schemes, aggressive graphics, and signature Aprilia branding highlight its sporting pedigree. Every curve and contour of the fairings is crafted to reduce air resistance, maximizing efficiency and stability at high speeds. The combination of sharp lines, aerodynamic winglets, and a compact tail section results in a visually striking motorcycle that embodies both function and beauty. In a showroom setting, the 457 rupees stands as a masterpiece, exuding exclusivity and high-performance engineering. Aprilia's legacy of pushing the limits of motorcycle technology is evident in the 457 rupees. The lightweight alloy wheels reduce unsprung mass, improving acceleration and handling precision. The high-performance tires offer excellent grip, allowing the rider to push harder with confidence. The electronic fuel injection system ensures optimal combustion, providing seamless power delivery while maintaining fuel efficiency. The finely tuned exhaust system not only enhances performance but also produces an unmistakable soundtrack that captures the essence of Aprilia's racing spirit. Every component is meticulously designed and tested to ensure the 457 rupees meets the highest standards of performance and reliability. The connection between rider and machine is at the heart of the RS 457's appeal. The intuitive handling, precise throttle response, and perfectly tuned suspension create an unparalleled riding experience. Every twist of the throttle, every shift of the gears, and every lean into a corner is met with seamless feedback, allowing the rider to become one with the bike. The 457 rupees is not just about speed, it's about the feeling of absolute control and confidence that comes with riding a precision-engineered sport bike. It is designed to deliver pure motorcycling excitement in every ride. The 457 rupees represents a new era for sport bike enthusiasts, offering the perfect blend of power, agility, and technology in an accessible package. Whether carving through winding mountain roads, navigating city streets, or hitting the track, the 457 rupees adapts to every environment with ease. Its refined performance, lightweight chassis, and advanced electronics make it an ideal choice for riders seeking an exhilarating yet manageable sport bike. The seamless integration of racing technology into a street-legal machine makes the 457 rupees a game-changer in the lightweight sport bike segment. Aprilia has always been at the forefront of innovation, and the 457 rupees is no exception. From its advanced aerodynamics to its state-of-the-art electronics, every aspect of the bike is a testament to Aprilia's commitment to excellence. The craftsmanship and attention to detail ensure that the 457 rupees is more than just a motorcycle, it is a statement of passion and performance. The premium materials, flawless paint finishes, and precision machined components all contribute to its aura of exclusivity. Whether displayed in a luxury showroom or unleashed on the road, the 457 rupees remains a striking embodiment of Aprilia's engineering prowess. Owning an Aprilia 457 rupees is about embracing a lifestyle of speed, precision, and excitement. It is a motorcycle designed for those who appreciate the art of riding, who seek the thrill of acceleration, and who demand the best in performance. The 457 rupees is not just a machine, it is an experience, an extension of the rider's passion for motorcycling.